High up in space where the comets race, lived a twinkly star in a cozy place. It wiggled, it wobbled, it danced in delight, shining so bright in the deep dark night. One day it asked the great big sun, "Why do I shine? Why is it fun?" The sun just chuckled big and wide, "You're made of fire, burning inside." "But how?" asked the star, all eager to know. "Does someone light me or help me glow?" The sun replied, "It's magic, my dear. Fusion of atoms, boom, you appear." It's just atoms making the light. The little star twinkled, oh so grand, but wondered, "What's fusion? I don't understand." The sun gave a wink and started to say, "It's when tiny atoms join in a dazzling way." Hydrogen takes flight, turning to helium, what a delight. This makes the heat, the warmth, the glow, that helps you shine and helps plants grow. The star was amazed and spun in glee, "But will I shine?